Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my rich herbal Ayurvedic gloss for a healthy, thicker, fuller, fussy hair. So please do well to watch to the end of the video. So without further preambles, let's go straight to the video. You're welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to be making use of some of our herbal powders. And the first on the list is our AFROMUNA authentic CHEBE powder. The next on the list is our 100% organic MATCHA green tea powder. And then we'll also make use of our AFROMUNA herbal hair mask. We are going to be making use of the AFROMUNA hair mask, which contains different Ayurvedic herbs such as neem, rosemary, tulsi, shikakai, aryuvedicur, and breakage, and also amla. All these herbs are wonderful. Then we'll make use of our TRESEMME 7 times moisture rich conditioner, a bowl, and then a wooden spoon. I opted for a wooden spoon because I do not want the chemical reaction that usually occurs whenever you use a metal spoon. So to avoid that chemical reaction, I do not use a metal spoon. Then I will be scooping some of our hair mask. I scooped about 2 to 3 teaspoonfuls of the hair mask. It all depends on the length of your hair and the thickness of your hair. It all depends. So that will tell you how much quantity you would scoop. The next I'm going to scoop is our CHEBE powder. I also scooped about 2 to 3 teaspoonfuls of our authentic CHEBE powder as well into the bowl. Then finally, I boiled that of the 100% organic matcha powder. So it's about 2 teaspoonfuls of the matcha powder that I added to the powder in the bowl. Then I went ahead to mix them first before adding any liquid. I had to mix them thoroughly to remove any lumps. So I had to mix the powders first dry. Then I went ahead to add my warm water. Please, not cold water. Warm water. But not really hot and not cold, but warm water. I also added my herbal tea, which has a mixture of the bamboo, fenugreek, and hibiscus. Then finally, I added our 7 times moisture rich TRESEMME conditioner. This conditioner has very good sleep. It's very good. Then I added my Ayurvedic herbal infused oil. This oil has really helped my hair. I've been using my infused oil for a while now, and it has helped thicken my hair, strengthen my hair strands. I'm really enjoying it. Then I added my onion oil as well. If you want to know how I made my onion oil, I'm going to link it in the cards above. You can pause this video and watch it before you come back to this one. So I will link it in the cards above. So I'm going to mix it well. So I love this consistency. Though some people like it liquidy, while some like it thicker. It all depends on your choice. So I love this consistency, not too thick and not too liquidy. Then I will cover it. Usually I cover it for 8 to 24 hours. It's better to do that. So I usually leave mine overnight. Hair to be able to release all its goodness. Once it releases all the goodness, your hair is going to benefit from all the goodness the herbs would release. So this is the next day. Good morning everyone. So I've already washed my hair. You can see my scalp. I've shampooed my hair. I also did my pre-poo using my PKO, my pumpkin nut oil. So if you have not watched my pre-poo video, I'm going to link it to I'm going to also link it down below. You can watch that as well. So this is how the herbs look like the next day. You can see the slight color change. So don't mind me, I'm not gonna eat it. I was only joking actually. So I divided my hair into sections. I love working in sections because it improves manageability. It also helps to reduce tangles and knots. So I started applying my herbs. I applied on my ends first. Like I always say, our ends are the oldest part of our hair. So we need to give them more TLC. And I usually call them the elders, if you know. So let's talk about the herbs. Matcha powder. Matcha green tea powder is proven to be effective for hair growth. There is this special substance that is contained in matcha green tea powder, and it is called epigallocatechin 3-galattate. It is also known as EGCG. This EGCG is beneficial for hair growth. EGCG can stimulate dermal papilla cells and the growth of hair follicles, which can ultimately lead to a faster hair growth, which we all always crave for. Then our CHEBE powder. CHEBE powder has been known to help seal in moisture in our hair. It also repairs damaged hair. It helps in length retention. Just like that is what we all need. Our hair grows, but the problem we all face is retaining the length that we have grown. So CHEBE powder helps you retain length, and it also helps to condition the hair, prevents reduces frizz, and then prevents split ends. I didn't say it is going to cure split ends, though. It can help prevent it, but it will never cure it. The only thing that cures split end is what? Trimming. Got to trim your ends. So, and these are and then our herbs contains like I said earlier, amla. Amla is a very good conditioner. It helps condition your hair. It helps strengthen your hair strands at the same time, reduce breakage. What about shikakai and aretha? These are excellent cleansers for your hair. They help to cleanse your hair. You can even use them in place of a shampoo. And then our Breakage, which is the king of herbs, helps condition your hair, strengthen your hair strands. In fact, Ayurveda has been game-changing for me. And if you all know, I did not add this gloss on my scalp. Why? Because of the conditioner that I added into it. If you put a conditioner in your herbs, if you say gloss, please do not add it on your scalp. I'm begging you. Do not use it on your scalp. Just use it on your hair alone. Except if you didn't add a conditioner, then you can apply it on your hair and your scalp. Then I'm going to cover my hair now. I'm going to cover it with my plastic bag, our plastic cup, then sit under my heat cup because my hair is low porosity, so I need heat in order to allow my product to penetrate my hair strands. Since my cuticles are very tightly closed, I need heat to open it so that it can penetrate into my hair strands. So please, if you have not started using Ayurveda, please try to use Ayurvedic herbs. Ayurvedic herbs will help strengthen your hair. It's going to help reduce breakage. It's going to help you grow a healthy hair. So this is my hair after washing my hair. I washed with warm water as well, so my hair is still looking moisturized, fine, neat, clean. So that's the results that I got. Don't mind the shrinkage. Your shrinkage is my friend as well. So then I styled my hair. into chunky twists. So please, if you enjoyed the video, please do well to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share and like this video. And one question, please, I would like you to share below your best 2 Ayurvedic herbs that you love so much. So can you tell me that in the comment section? And if you have tried any Ayurvedic herbs, also tell me in the comment section, and what's your experience with Ayurvedic herbs. So let's meet in the comment section to discuss it. So thank you all for watching. See you guys all in the next video. Bye.